How to turn off notification on Airbnb. Are you guys facing issues to turn off notification on Airbnb? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn off notification on Airbnb, first of all, open Airbnb app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, just simply tap on your profile icon. After you click on profile icon, you can see this option for account settings. Tap on account settings. As soon as you click on account settings, you can see multiple options. Just simply select notifications. After you select notifications, just simply head over to the notification that you want to disable or turn off. After you click on it, just toggle off all these options. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to turn off notification on Airbnb. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.